Desai, Inner Wheel President 24-25, Madam Mamta Gupta, IPDG Yagneshwar Mahapatra, Kendra Patnaik Program Chair, Harsh Gupta, DLF 25-26, Suresh Chandra Sahu, DST 25-26, dignitaries of the dais, ladies, given me the privilege of being a part of your District Governor of Rotary International District 3262 for the year 25-26. At the outset, I was sitting and listening to the previous speakers, and they're mentioning Rotary needs to rotate. Every year you change your governor. And by rotating, you are providing service to the people. You do it through your organization of Rotary Club. We also provide service, being a part, Mr. D.N. Padi, Mr. Narendra Mishra, when they were part of the services, they were also part of the system of which I am today a part of. We were providing service to people. A number of times people asked me, why do you have such a long name? That to my grandfather, and I asked him, why did you give me such a long name? Because when I write my name on my notebook, then I have to cover it, then again I have to write my name. When I'm answering the exam papers, I have to write my name, and by the time end of it, my hands start paining. By the end of my just writing my name, I forget what I have to write in the notebook. He said, do you know what your name stands for? I said, yes, partly I know. Kanak stands for gold. Vardhan for what? To increase the Kanak. Singh is the akar of a lion is golden, and Deo is Devo ke saath mein tulna. He said, now cut short just take the 4 initials, KVSD. So I said, what about it? He says, K for Karma, V for Vishwas, S for Seva, D for Dharma. He said to me, your name signifies Karam, Vishwas, Seva, Dharma. This is the Dharma that you have to follow till the last breath that you take. Friends, I am into politics, and a number of times what happens is when a politician gets a mic, he doesn't want to let go. But I'm not going to bore you with a long drawn speech. I'm here and thankful to the installation ceremony to which I have been invited today. I promise Manoj Babu and all the other Rotarians who were present here in this auditorium today that any point of time you do need my help or support,